Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and it's not a vector file. It's pretty pixelized. They're going to engrave it on a Yeti cup, and that's about as good as I could get it done. I would test that before I waste a cup, but you can remove this white background. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a duplicate of this and move it over. Then we're going to take this item and we're going to go to bitmap, outline trace clip art, and we're going to trace it. And we're going to say, okay, then we're going to move it over and up, and you see it's gotten rid of the background. But now what we need to do is go to object, group, and ungroup. That'll put everything into a group or ungroup. So now we can put a boundary around it. Now we'll move our boundary over. And you could play around with this quite a bit. But what I'm going to do is just move it down to our original picture. Let me go ahead and move the yellow box a little bit. And then intersect it. And what that did, that took out the picture. Now to engrave this on a Yeti cup with either Ceramark or, I know very little about powder coating cups, but we need to change this to a grayscale. So you go to bitmap mode and grayscale. That possibly would engrave, but I would test it on a piece of wood first. And I've actually probably, the part of the car is kind of missing because of the fact that, but that might look okay. But it's still going to be, it's still fuzzy. But, you could give that a try and see what happens. But I would test it on a piece of wood first. Wood is going to work better because it's going to show the different, colors between the darks and the whites. I don't know how that's going to act on a Yeti cup. But I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.